Living an eco-friendly life is about making choices that are good for our planet. It means reducing our negative impact on the environment. We can protect our Earth by changing our daily habits. Small changes can make a big difference over time. We can all do our part to live more sustainably. It's about being mindful of our consumption. It's about choosing reusable options instead of disposable ones. Every step towards an eco-friendly life counts. You can start your eco-friendly journey with easy changes. Carry a reusable water bottle to avoid single-use plastic bottles. Bring your own bags when you go shopping. Say no to plastic straws and use reusable alternatives. Reduce food waste by planning meals and composting leftovers. Choose energy-efficient appliances for your home. Walk, bike, or use public transport instead of driving alone. When you choose reusable items, you reduce waste in landfills. Landfills are harmful to the environment. By conserving water and energy, you lower your carbon footprint. A smaller carbon footprint means less pollution. Imagine millions of people adopting eco-friendly habits. The collective impact on the planet would be significant. We can create a healthier and cleaner environment for everyone. Living an eco-friendly life has many benefits. You save money by reducing your consumption and energy use. You improve your health by choosing sustainable and organic products. You contribute to a cleaner and healthier environment for future generations. Start incorporating eco-friendly habits into your daily life. Every small step counts towards a greener and more sustainable future. Together we can make a difference for our planet.